Hi Miss Thrussell, mae hwn yn fideo bach i ddangos gwerthfawrogiad ni am dy holl waith caled dros blynyddoedd. Da ni aelod y staff a plant y cylch yn rili ddiolchgar am yr holl waith ti wedi rhoi mewn i'r cylch, a da ni am rili fethu ti ym mis Ionawr.
Bob luck, Miss Thrussell!
Thank you to looking after Miss Thrussell. Diolch, Miss Thrussell. I love you.
Congratulations, Charlotte. Hope you have a lovely Christmas and good luck in your new job. See you soon.
Diolch, Miss Thrussell. Thanks for being my therapist, and I'm going to miss you so much.
Bob luck yn y swydd newydd. Diolch am gyd o pethau hwyl. Diolch, Miss Thrussell. I help you see. Mwah. Catty, love you. Thrussell. Good luck. Diolch am popeth. Miss Thrussell. Pob look.
Bob luck, Miss Thrussell, yn dy swydd newydd. Dyn ni gyd am methu ti'n llawer. Diolch am pob ti wedi gwneud i fi a teulu fi.
Diolch yn fawr, Miss Thrussell. Pob luck yn y swydd newydd. Everyone is gonna miss you so much. Come back to see you. Bye. Thank you, Miss Thrussell, for all your help. We will miss you. Diolch yn fawr for everything, Miss Thrussell. Can you see? Bye. Diolch, Miss Thrussell, hwyl fawr. Hwyl fawr, Miss Thrussell. Hwyl fawr, Miss Thrussell. Mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr.
Diolch Miss Thrussell, diolch am helpu efo confidence to help me grow yn y cylch, a diolch am popeth. Hwyl fawr!
Hi, Miss Thrussell. I hope you have a good lap. I hope you have a good job. I hope you have a good Christmas. And thank you for teaching me in Kill. And I hope you have a good Christmas. You'll be happy, Mrs. Thrussell. Hwyl fawr. Diolch, Miss Thrussell. Hwyl fawr, Mrs. Thrussell. Pob lwc, hwyl fawr. Diolch, Miss Thrussell.
And put
Thank you.
pob luck.
Diolch Miss Thrussell, da ni wedi cael gymaint o atgofion hapus. Diolch am wneud gwaith yn lot o hwyl.
Bye, Miss Thrussell. I will miss you. Tata, salad.
Diolch yn fawr iawn Miss Thrussell am popeth, we'll miss you lots. Hwyl fawr.
Bye, Miss Thrussell. I miss you. I miss you. Bye. For all the stuff. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for all the stuff. And thank you for that green tail. Okay.
Hwyl fawr.
Bye. Hwyl fawr, Miss Thrussell. Diolch. I love you, Miss Thrussell. Bye bye.
Say good luck.
Good luck. Thank you for looking after me at Kill. I love you. Diolch am pob peth.
Surprise! Mae Robbie eisiau dweud pob lwc i ti, Miss Thrussell. Edrych ar y camera, Robbie. Hey! Pob lwc, Del.
Book early. Book early. Pablo.
Hi Miss Thrussell, this is me and Vi. We just want to say good luck with your new role, your new job. You know, we wish you all the best. Thank you for looking after Violet. She's been a little madam, but she's been good at the same time. Yeah, thank you for everything. You've really helped me. Thank you for all the meetings that we had and all the support that you gave me with Violet. So just thank you very much for all that. And we will miss you, Violet.
I love you. I hope you get back tomorrow. Good luck.
Bye, Miss Thrussell.
Bye.
Good luck.
Diolch yn fawr, Miss Thrussell. Pob lwc. Yes, Mr. Thrussell. I will miss you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Good luck, Mr. Thrussell. We'll miss you.
I miss you. Diolch yn helpu fi, Miss Thrussell. Carity.
Diolch yn fawr, Miss Thrussell. Thank you so much for everything that you've done. You are absolutely amazing. Diolch.
Diolch.
We'll miss you.
We miss you.
Diolch Miss Thrussell am bod yn unpaid therapist fi.
Diolch fawr, Mrs. Thrussell. Yeah. Fi'n hoffi Miss Thrussell darllen stori. Subject. Subject. Diolch yn fawr. Katie. Diolch Miss Thrussell, I'll miss you.
Thank you, Miss Charlotte, for looking after me when I was little. And good luck.
Public E.T.
Diolch, Miss Thrussell, am dy help di yn Cylch. Hwyl fawr.
Hwyl fawr, Miss Thrussell.
Hwyl fawr, Miss Thrussell. Hwyl fawr, Miss Thrussell. Mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Toodaloo a ffwrdd â ni. Ffwrdd â ni. Ffwrdd â ni. Toodaloo a ffwrdd â ni. Mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Hwyl fawr, Miss Thrussell. Hwyl fawr, Miss Thrussell. Hwyl fawr, Miss Thrussell. Mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Toodaloo a ffwrdd â ni. Ffwrdd â ni. Ffwrdd â ni. Toodaloo a ffwrdd â ni.